The group will present star approach. Dili niya style nga bituon ha. Okay. The same spelling lang. Okay. Good afternoon, class. Well, why is this vacant here? Where is this seat here? Move a little. Who is absent?
Nobody's absent.
Nobody is absent. Very good. Okay.
Sabi ko na school is absent. Ay, paman sa juk-juk.
Now, by the way, so, let us never mind praying na lang kay we have prayed this morning. We might be praying all the time. There is no gate beyond heaven. Okay, so again. Now, last time, we had a very interesting lesson, isn't it? We have a lesson on reading the legend of the Sampaguita. Is it not, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so did you remember? What's the color of the Sampaguita? White. Can you tell me of an interesting feature about the Sampaguita flower, aside from being its color white?
Fragrant.
It's fragrant. What else?
The national flower.
National flower. Very good. Very good, national flower. Now, this afternoon, we will go to another lesson, which is we are going to take up on words that describes a noun and a pronoun. What do you think is it? They are adjectives. So, you said Sampaguita is white. What word there describe the Sampaguita? White. You said in your sentence, the Sampaguita is fragrant. What word describes their Sampaguita?
Fragrant.
Okay. So in other words, white and fragrant are adjectives. Very good. Now here I have some strips. I will give this to you. You try to read the sentence, then tell me and your classmates what is the adjective in the sentence. Okay, you Gerard, I will give you 2. And you Danny, you are going to have 2. Okay, I will give you the red one because your t-shirt is red. And you, please, you should have 2 also. For Velma 2 and Loida and Chinibel. Wait na lang. So, you read the sentences in the strips given to you. Anybody who can stand and read the sentence and tell me and your classmates what is the adjective there in the sentence given to you. Anybody? Yes, Loida?
The patient teacher. Patient is the adjective, ma'am.
Patient is the adjective. In other words, the word patient tells about
The teacher.
the teacher. Okay. Now, do you think your teacher has that quality?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Next, Jennifer. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Do not stay close to each other because you cannot move anymore. Okay. The little and red. Okay, that is the adjective. What about Gerard? Were you very silent? Oh, the sentence. Louder, louder. Stand up. The ugly duckling. What is the adjective there? Ugly. Okay.
Do I have the qualities?
What about the other sentence?
The long and widened